Hello everyone, this is Shanti Shirsad from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we learn about array in C programming. Learning outcomes, what is array, examples of array, types of arrays and declaration and initialization of arrays. First point is, what is array? An array is fixed size sequential collection of elements of same data types that share a common name. Means array is a collection of similar data type elements. It is derived data type. For example, list of numbers, list of phone numbers, list of names, etc. Example of arrays: list of employees in an organization, test scores of class of students, list of customers and their telephone numbers, list of students in college. For example, to represent 100 students in college, we can be written as student of 100. Here, student is a array name and 100 is called index or size of array. Next point is types of arrays. There are three types of array: one-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional arrays and multi-dimensional arrays. A one-dimensional arrays, it is represent the list of items using one index, is called one-dimensional array. For example, if you want to represent set of 5 numbers, for like 35, 40, 20, 57 and 19 using array variable, then we declare the array variable as follows: integer number 5. Here integer is the data type of array variable, number is the name of array variable and 5 is the subscript or size of array. Then memory representation of array. The array index starts from 0. That's why our first element is stored at array 0th index. Here array name is number. That's why memory representation is number 0, then number 1, number 2, like this. Then how to store the values in an array? Array index starts from 0. That's why the first element stored at 0th index. So 35 stored at 0th index of number array. Then 40 stored at first index at number array. Then 20 stored at second index of number array. Then 57 stored at third index of number array and 19 stored at last, that is 4 index at number array. Then how to declare one-dimensional array? The general syntax is data type, array name, size. Here type specifies the data type of elements contained in array such as integer, float or character, and the size indicates the maximum number of elements that can be stored inside the array. Next one example is integer group of 10. Here integer is a type, group is a array variable name and 10 is the size of array, that is start from 0 and end with 9. Next, initialization of one-dimensional array. The syntax for initialization of array is data type, array variable name, size is equal to value. For example, integer number 3 is equal to values 4, 5 and 6. Here array number of size 3 and will be assigned 4 to the first element, that is 0th index of number array. Then 5 is stored in second element, that is first index of number array, and 9 is stored in the third element, that is second index of number array. The next example is character array, that is character name is equal to characters like J, O, H, N, null character, etc. In character array, we also store the string directly, that is character name is equal to John. Next, two-dimensional array, a variable which represents the list of items using two index is called two-dimensional array. In two-dimensional arrays, the data is stored in row and column format. For example, integer table 2, 3. Here integer is a data type, table is a array name, 2 is a row size and 3 is a column size. Data type may be integer, character or float. The general form or syntax for two-dimensional array initialization, that is data type, array variable name, row size, column size is equal to list of values. For example, integer table 2 3 is equal to 0 0 0, 1 1 1. Thank you.